And that's where your true self is. Your true identity is. All of you have thought about the car, you have thought about the house, you have thought about the life. All of you have thought, but has it become reality? People talk about is having high ego, as if it's such a bad thing. And I thought I knew what law of attraction is. But still, I wasn't getting the results that I want to at that time. Let me ask you, when you're triggered, when stress happens, are you on survival mode or creation mode? Survival mode. So let me ask you, can you manifest? Can. I don't know what you manifest lah. The reality is that whatever conflicts with other people, it may seem like the other person, but really most of the time there is a wound inside us. And until you heal that wound, you can do anything, you won't do anything. You've worked yourself through, especially after graduation, you work yourself through, you allow yourself to be fluid, change. You come to a point where you are financially stable. You hold on to that, you want to hold on to that identity. Remember the ego self again, right? And then you don't allow this identity to change because you're scared something is going to happen. The definition of law of attraction, it's a philosophy that claims one's thoughts determines their reality. But I don't fully agree with this. If you have not been able to deal with it for the last 1 year, 2 years, 5 years, you won't be able to deal with it. You won't have the knowledge, the experience, the wisdom to deal with it.